In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML to Squarespace. If you want to embed custom content, add a widget, or place a snippet of HTML on your site, Squarespace makes that possible through a code block. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to paste your code in the right place so it displays properly on your page. To begin, open the Squarespace page where you want the HTML to appear and enter the page editor. Once you're in the editing view, look for the option that says ADD block and click it. This is the menu Squarespace uses to insert new content elements into your page, such as text, images, galleries, and of course, code. After the block menu opens, go to the search field and type the word code. This is the quickest way to find the right block, especially if you don't want to scroll through the full list of available content types. As you type, Squarespace will filter the results and show you the matching option. When you see the code block appear in the results, click on code to add it to the page. This inserts a code block into your layout, but at this point, it's still empty. You've created the container where your HTML will go, and now you just need to edit it. Next, click the pencil icon to edit the block. This opens the code editor window for that specific block. If you're new to Squarespace, this is the area where you can paste custom HTML and other embed style code. Take a moment here to make sure you're editing the correct block in the correct section of your page, especially if you're working on a more complex layout. Now paste the code into the editor. Be careful to paste it exactly as intended without removing any brackets, quotation marks, or tags, since even a small change can affect how the code works. If you copied the HTML from another source, it's also a good idea to quickly scan it before saving, just to make sure it's complete. Once your code is in place, you can continue with the normal Squarespace saving process to keep your changes. After that, preview the page to confirm that the HTML is rendering the way you expect. If something doesn't look right, go back into the block editor and check the pasted code for formatting issues. And that's how to add HTML to Squarespace using a code block.